Have you ever stared at your Wealthsimple crypto balance, dreaming of that sweet, sweet fiat in your bank account? And then, bam, you hit the withdraw button, only to be greeted by a digital brick wall? Welcome to the club. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of Wealthsimple crypto withdrawals. Let's figure out why your hard-earned coins seem trapped in digital purgatory. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Wealthsimple isn't your typical crypto exchange. It's a platform that offers a simplified investment experience. This means certain features, like instant withdrawals, might not be as straightforward as you'd expect. So, why the holdup? Reason 1, regulatory roadblocks. Cryptocurrency is still a relatively new asset class, and governments worldwide are scrambling to catch up. This regulatory uncertainty can directly impact how platforms like Wealthsimple operate. They might have restrictions on how quickly or how much crypto you can withdraw. Reason 2, security. First, your crypto is like digital gold. Wealthsimple wants to keep it safe. To prevent fraud and unauthorized access, they might have implemented withdrawal limits or verification processes. Don't be surprised if you need to jump through a few hoops before your funds are released. Reason 3, market volatility. Crypto is notoriously volatile. To protect both you and the platform, Wealthsimple might temporarily restrict withdrawals during periods of extreme market fluctuations. It's a safety measure, but it can be frustrating. Reason 4, technical glitches. Let's face it, technology isn't perfect. Wealthsimple's systems might experience temporary glitches or maintenance periods that can affect withdrawals. It's annoying, but it happens. What can you do? So, what can you do if you're stuck in withdrawal limbo? Check Wealthsimple's status page. They often post updates about system issues or maintenance. Review your account. Ensure your account information, including personal details and identification, is up to date. Contact support. Wealthsimple's customer support might be able to shed some light on the issue and provide a timeline. Be patient. Sometimes, the wait is unavoidable. Crypto withdrawals can take longer than traditional transactions. Now, let's talk about potential solutions. Some users have found workarounds, like transferring crypto to another exchange before withdrawing. However, this involves additional fees and risks. It's also worth considering whether Wealthsimple is the right platform for your crypto needs. If you prioritize frequent withdrawals and instant access to your funds, you might want to explore other options. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving. What's true today might change tomorrow. Stay informed, be patient, and most importantly, don't panic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.